Okay, so we are working on this porch today. We're going to try to wrap it up. We got to get our roof decking on and try to get our roofing underlayment on because snow's coming and it's going to get cold too. So, but it's looking really pretty. We got our posts and braces and beam all stained thanks to my wife. She spent a couple days doing that, and I think it looks really sharp. We do have to put our decorative hardware on here, like our Simpson black plates. And I think that's really going to look sharp. So anyways, stay tuned. This is what we're going to be working on today. Hopefully we get it done. Okay, so what I am doing is I'm just getting this sheeting on fast, and I'm using the skid steer. Oh, I gotta go tilt it back up. It tends to fall down. To get this first row on, what I like to do is I come to each end and I will measure from the fascia 4 foot and 1/4, because these are 4 foot, and sometimes your fascia is not perfect, and when it comes down on an angle down here, the top actually hangs down past the bottom. So see how that's barely above the fascia, the subfascia? So that's what I do. I measure there, go to the end, do the same, snap a line. Then I start running these sheets. You get them in the center of a rafter, and then you just pull 2 foot increments to make sure that these rafters stay straight. So I got that. I'm running my second row. I am staggering, doing a 4 foot stagger. So that means this starts here, and then I'm going to jog 4 foot and then jog back 4 foot in a full sheet. And that's so not all the seams on one rafter in case you do get a windstorm or something. It makes it stronger. Plus, then over here, it can also hang over and still give support to this subfascia and lookouts, because this is a rafter support on beam, but this subfascia is not supported by the beam. So that's kind of what we're doing. I gotta do some cuts around here. Gets a little narrower down here. What stinks is one full sheet doesn't quite make it all the way to the ledger, so I gotta put, I don't know, a 2-inch strip in there. It is what it is. Didn't know that was gonna happen, but anyways, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna keep on moving on. Caulk this and then put tape in it, and then it should force it over, but if it doesn't, it's got paper all the way down to the wall, and it can only go behind the ledger. So all right, so I was really pumped and excited to put this decorative hardware on. I mean, it looks really sweet, right? It's made for like 6x6 posts. It's a Simpson decorative hardware. They make it for 4x4s and 6x6s because usually that's the biggest supports you normally use them on most of the time. Well, my posts are 6x6s, but they look flipping ridiculous. I'll show you. I was all excited. But when I put it on, it just looks super weenie. Like, if you can kind of see. Yeah, it looks tiny. It looks like a monster truck on weenie, like small little car tires. Just, ugh. So, back to the drawing board. Might have to have some custom ones made. So, I talked to the guy that fabricated my cupola. And he said, yeah, I can make those. So that might be what we have to do. Just doesn't look good. Honestly, I like it better without them, but I don't think my building department will let me do that.